As a travel content creator, I'm always attached to my phone, constantly uploading or downloading something, so how do I get cell phone internet when I'm traveling? Well, eSIMs. More specifically, eSIMs from Airalo. I've been using Airalo for the past year or so, and this is us using our Airalo eSIMs when we land in Japan. I've also used Airalo in the UAE, in Spain, and Turkey as well. It's been a while since those trips, which is why these eSIMs are expired, but Airalo is now my go-to way to get data on my phone because of a couple reasons. It's easy, it's inexpensive, and it's reliable. In this video, I'll go over what Airalo is and how to use Airalo to get mobile data when you're traveling. Let's discuss the common problems we often face when it comes to internet connectivity while traveling. Data roaming can be costly and expensive. Roaming refers to being connected to a different network than your regular cell phone network provider's network while you're out of the country. You can purchase additional add-on plans for data roaming, but that can get expensive because some of them charge a daily fee, which isn't great if you're traveling for a week or two, while some of them charge a monthly fee, which isn't great if you're traveling for a few days. There's really no in between, which is why I avoid all of these altogether. Alternatively, you can purchase physical SIMs for your travel. Still, then you run into the problem of having to manage additional physical SIM cards for your different destinations, which can be a real hassle because those things are tiny and easy to lose. You have to go find a place to buy a physical SIM card, pop out the old one and put in a new one, and then do it again when you travel to your next destination. It's not ideal and kind of annoying. If you don't want to deal with any of that type of stuff, you might be the type that is constantly hunting for free Wi-Fi, which can be really impractical and unreliable. This is where Airalo eSIMs comes in and say goodbye to those problems and enjoy instant and affordable connectivity. So let me break down if you're not familiar with what eSIMs are. An embedded SIM or eSIM is a digitally installed SIM card to your device. It works like a regular SIM card, identifying you as a mobile subscriber and connecting you to your selected telecom service provider's network. The difference is that it's built into your phone and works 100% digitally. You don't need a pin or an earring to pop out your physical SIM card. It's all built into your phone electronically, and it's super easy and simple. So eSIMs sound super cool and super easy, but before you get started, you have to check if your device is compatible with eSIMs first. eSIMs are supported on a lot of the latest phones and even phones from 2020 or even later. Airalo has a full list of phones, which I'll link down in the description, and your phone also needs to be unlocked too. Airalo has instructions and support information on a lot of that, which I'll link down in the description. So picture this, you arrive at your destination ready to go explore. Instead of spending time waiting in long queues at airports to buy a local SIM, you can just activate your Airalo eSIM as soon as you land, and it's instant connectivity from the moment you arrive. Instead of just telling you about Airalo, let me show you how it works. So the first thing you gotta do is download the Airalo app, and you can go to the App Store, download it. I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and tap on open. It'll take you to this screen. This is where you wanna log in and create an account. And then once you're logged in, it takes you to this Airalo eSIM shop. You can buy local eSIMs, you can buy regional eSIMs, you can also buy global eSIMs, or you can search very specific countries that you're looking for an eSIM for, and there's 200 plus countries that you can search. For example, if I wanted to search like a country like Vietnam, then there's a couple different options. There's a local where it's only the eSIM for Vietnam. There's also a regional where it covers Vietnam and other countries, and there's also global as well, which it covers a bunch of different countries. I'm gonna go ahead and click on cancel. Since I want a US one, the US one already shows up in the popular countries here. Tap on US, and then it gives you more information about the eSIM. Coverage, the United States only. Data is 1 gigabyte. Validity is 7 days, and so how long the eSIM is valid for. And also the price, just $4.50. If I want a larger data package, it's $8. 3 gigabytes is $11, a few more dollars. 5 gigabytes is $16. And 10 gigabytes is $26, and it goes on from there. What you want to do is tap on buy now, and it gives you more information about the eSIM. And it also gives you options to top up the eSIM as well. If you run out of data, you can also get additional data as well, 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabyte. And so say you use all of your data in like 2 or 3 days, but you still have like another 3 days of vacation, you can top up and get some more data. Scrolling down, you can see more information about the network that you connect to, the plan type, and so this is a data SIM card. It's data only, no text message and no voice. You can go ahead and tap on buy. It takes Apple Pay, so I'm gonna go ahead and purchase the SIM card. So now I have the SIM card purchase. That's where I can tap on view eSIM details and tap on view instructions, and it'll walk me step by step on how to install the eSIM. And so tap on install eSIM, and Airalo walks you step by step on how to install the eSIM. And then this is where you can go through the process of installing the eSIM. So after you go through all the installation, you can manage your eSIM, track your usage, and top up with more data if needed, all within the Airalo app. If you're visiting multiple countries, Airalo also has regional SIMs that cover multiple countries. If you want even more coverage, there are global eSIMs available that cover 130 countries as well. And with those, you can have the option with data, calls, and text as well. So whether you're traveling for a few days or months, there's something for everyone in the Airalo eSIM shop. From my experience, I prefer to purchase my eSIMs from the comforts of my own home and install it before I travel. I then turn it off, and then when I land at my destination, I just flip it on and my phone automatically connects to the network. If you don't want to do that, you can always connect to the Wi-Fi at your final destination's airport and purchase and install your eSIMs at that point in time, which we've done plenty of times. We've done it a few times in Spain as well. One of the great things about Airalo eSIMs is that when you install an eSIM, your regular SIM card and phone number can still stay on your phone. That means you can have your regular SIM and your Airalo eSIM on the phone at the same time, so you don't have to worry about losing access to your regular phone number while enjoying connectivity through Airalo's eSIM. So that's in the event you receive an emergency call or text to your regular phone number, they can still reach you. I've partnered with Airalo to bring you an exclusive discount code. You can find the code in the video description down below, so take advantage of that and save even more on your Airalo eSIM. So I hope you find this information helpful and it inspires you to try Airalo for your next adventure. I use Airalo myself, and I'm going to be using it on my next trips and many more trips to come. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.